And I just subdivide important regions by Fibonacci levels. I'm using the 50, 61, and the 38 only. And I subdivide from here down to right here, which is this little cliff right here that started this move higher. Subdividing the same region from here all the way down to this gap. Gaps are really important. Big bars and gaps are where you want to be focusing. And then the same region all the way down to this level right here. And look how important this level is. Even going back in time, you can see we found support back here in May of 2022. So I'm just subdividing those regions. And what you end up finding is there's this major confluence right in the middle of this third wave. You see this vertical move, first pullback after the third vertical move. Why I'm telling you this is in all 5-wave patterns, wherever you find that third wave, that gap, that vertical move, there's a Fibonacci confluence zone somewhere around there that all of these swings are basing future swings off of.